Before modern communication, sending a message took time. Days, sometimes weeks. Then came Morse code, a system of dots and dashes sent through electrical signals. In 1844, the first message sent was a verse from the Bible. "What hath God wrought?" It traveled instantly between cities. For the first time in history, distance didn't slow communication. Messages could move as fast as electricity. It may seem simple today, but back then it felt like magic. Long story short, the world is more interesting than it looks. Follow for more. New short stories every day.